Hey beauties, for today's video I will be showing you guys how I do this easy, slick, low fluffy ponytail with these two twists in the front. It's a super cute, chic hairstyle, and it is so good for the summer, let me tell you. It is definitely one of my go-to hairstyles, and I am happy to share it with you guys. And thank you so much for returning to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel, and it is so good to have you here. And I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of you who've been watching my videos, and please do subscribe to my channel and share my channel with your friends so we can all be friends. And yeah, let's get into the video. My hair was already in this style and I was gonna redo it, so I decided to film it and show you guys how I do my slick ponytails. It's very easy. It is so simple to do, like, honestly, and you can always see me in this style because it is such an easy go-to. Guys, since I haven't put out a video in about 2.5 weeks now, which I'm sorry, I've kind of been out of town, so that's why I haven't really been posting that much, and I just wanted to know that I have some form of content for you guys, so I decided that I will film this for you because, you know, a lot of people always see me in it and they're like, always like, oh, your ponytail looks so nice and your hairstyle looks so nice and whatever. So I'm just making this video for it. So the stuff you're gonna be needing are a water bottle. You're gonna need combs. I have a rat tail comb and a wide tooth comb. Also, I have 2 sets of brushes. I have my Denman brush and just a soft bristle brush. Then I'm gonna need some scrunchies, a edge controller, and in this case mine is the Cream of Nature with argan oil. And then I'm gonna be needing a clip, and this is just a cotton head wrap that I made out of a t-shirt. Just after I'm done, I can use it to slick everything down. And then of course you're gonna be needing the gel. Of course, you're always gonna be needing your gel to slick everything down, and it doesn't even matter what gel you use. I
only like Eco Styler, and I like the green one just because it works for my hair. Whatever works for your hair, works for your hair, okay?
So the trick to a good slicked ponytail is working in sections. When you work in sections, you can focus more on slicking down every single strand of that hair, and you won't have any bulkiness or anything bulging out under your scalp. Like, everything is just like slicked on your scalp. Okay, so I'm just gonna be starting off from the back. Now, because my hair was already in this style, it's gonna be a little bit harder for me to comb through my hair. But if you just washed your hair or whatever, you want to make sure that you focus on moisturizing your hair first.
But because my hair is already moisturized, I'm not going to be focusing on that today. But you always want to make sure your hair is moist.
So know that the back section is wet. I'm gonna go in with my Eco Styler gel. Gonna go in with my gel, and yes, you do need a lot of gel for this, so be generous. And then you're just gonna go ahead and just slick each section down. Let me just turn around and show you guys what I'm talking about. So it's gonna be slicked like that, and then I'm gonna go in with either the wide tooth comb or my Denman brush. In this case, since my hair already has the curls in there, I'm gonna go in with my Denman brush. I'm just gonna go, and I'm not gonna brush all the way through, and then that's how you get it slicked onto your scalp. Then I will go in with my soft bristle brush and just brush. use the scrunchie and hold that little piece right there until I finish the rest of the sections. And that is how you get it snatched, hunty. Okay. Okay, so after I do the second section, I am just gonna go ahead and remove the scrunchie from the first section, and then I'm gonna put everything in one big ponytail. And that's just what you're gonna keep doing for all of these sections. And then these are the last two sections that are left to be done. And then I will come back and finish these two twists, and then I'll show you finish this look. Okay, so both sides are done, and we are going to put the clip. So this is just a regular banana clip, and I always like to use it because it gives my hair a little bit more volume than just the scrunchie in my hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this around. Once I clip it in place, I can remove the scrunchie. And then, boom.
That is so much more volume than just using the scrunchie.
Honestly, I'm not gonna be doing anything too extra with my edges, just because that's not what I'm feeling like right now. So just gonna do a nice little swoop. Simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my two twists, and honestly, that looks good like that. But I am gonna be doing my twists. I'm not gonna leave it out because we all know natural hair, once the humidity touches it, then we'll all be sorry we did not put it in a twist or a braid or whatever. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the edge control and then just put it right at the roots of these twists. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my cotton head wrap, and then I'm just gonna put it on for just about 5 minutes and leave that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna leave it on for about 5 minutes, and then after that, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the finished look. I just took the head wrap off, and this is the final look for my slick, fluffy, low ponytail with my two twists in the front. I know I look like an ant, but it's a cute hairstyle. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, and please do like this video, and if you do like my channel, subscribe to my channel and hit that post notification bell so you can always be notified every time I post a new video like this one. And my channel does consist of doing makeup or hairstyles, and or just teaching you how to protect your natural hair, because it's your crown, okay, and it has to be protected at all costs. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching again, and again, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.